Welcome to Wolf Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. This Equinox is featured in a blue glow metallic paint finish and is the LT trim. Under the hood we have our 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle we have 5-passenger seating on jet black cloth seating surfaces. We have heated seats in the front of the vehicle, lane keep assist with departure warning, forward collision alert, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as our backup camera. Outside the vehicle, we have alloy wheels, as well as our powered liftgate. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have our chrome finish door handle, power locks, power mirrors, and our power windows. Below it, we have some storage, as well as our power tailgate functions, and our speaker. Just inside the vehicle, to the left of the steering wheel, we have all of our lighting controls. Power driver's seat, finished in our jet black cloth. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster. In the center, we have a digital information system. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our cruise settings, forward collision alert, as well as our lane keep assist. We have some audio controls on the back of the steering wheel. Moving to the right-hand side, we have our voice recognition, hands-free, and then the arrows and checkmark are the controls for our driver information system. More audio controls behind and our push-to-start ignition. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment system. If we go into audio, AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth audio, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with wireless functions, phone connection, Wi-Fi hotspot. If we put the vehicle into reverse, backup camera with adaptive guidelines, hotkeys across the bottom, as well as home, seek, volume, and our hands-free. Dual zone climate control with our front and rear defrost, sync, AC, heated driver and heated passenger seat, as well as our fan controls in the center. Below it, we have a USB-C, USB, aux, and 12-volt plug for charging with some storage, all-wheel drive, and our parking sensors in front of our shifter and cup holders, electronic parking brake, some storage, center console with deep storage, as well as a removable coin tray. Passenger seat is also finished in our jet black cloth and is heated for the passenger. Moving above the rear view mirror, we have our lights with our dome lighting controls throughout the vehicle at the front, OnStars at the very front, and then we have a sunglass holder in the back. Now walking down the side of the Equinox. Moving to our front tire and rim, we have our alloy rim with our Chevrolet bow tie center cap and an all-season tire. Moving out, we have paint match mirror caps, as well as paint match keyless entry door handles. All the way around at the back of the vehicle, we have our black bow tie, as well as Equinox and all-wheel drive LT badging in chrome. Opening up, we have our release underneath, or we also have it through our key or the front of the vehicle. Back of the vehicle has a 60/40 folding bench seat that we can fold up on the sides, or also in the back for easy access, and that's right next to a 12-volt plug. We have some storage throughout the back as well, and we can also lift up on the bottom, and we have some more hidden storage. Lastly, to close the vehicle, we have our power release on the right next to our manual release. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, our power window control, as well as some storage and our speaker in the door. Moving to the seats, we have a 60/40 folding bench seat in the second row of the vehicle. Can fold it up through the side or through our back for easy access through the trunk of the vehicle. In the center seat, we have our foldable cup holders. We have some removable, soft, cleanable covers. Moving in front of the passenger in the back, we have our storage pocket. Between the front two seats, we have our two vents, as well as two USB chargers for the second row of the vehicle. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolf Chevrolet soon.